So this is the inside right when you walk in, before you go on the tour. They have all the history of the Warner Brothers. So this is gonna be cool. We have about an hour before we start. So let's go inside. This is when you walk into the Warner Brothers studios, and I'll just show you a few clips because they weren't real big on filming on the back lots. So there was a lot of cool things. We only stopped, I think, one time. This is the Pee-wee's Big Adventure Pond where he goes over that, and then a few more little clips of just the back lot and what we saw until we went onto the soundstage. We did the Big Bang Theory soundstage, and also the other one was, I believe, the Friends, but we did get to go through that whole one. So it was pretty good, I mean, for the time. So here's the courthouse, and then the back streets of New York, and then we made our way over to the Friends Fountain. Oh wow. The Batman with Michael Keaton. That's awesome.
Constantly cutting people's throats. So I had blood everywhere. So you're making these costumes, and then they decide, oh, let's.
So this is worn from A Star Is Born with Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga's dress. Oh, and then look at this. Over here, the new Elvis 2022. Oh, that's pretty awesome. For any Crazy Rich Asian fans. There's the Aquafina outfit. You can see right there, Nick Young.
When you start the first part of the process is
My name is Stuart Craig.
Thought this was really cool. This is I'll Never Love Again lyrics and the engagement and wedding rings that were screen used. Selena over there. Small dress. Lights are great. They also got a wall of all their animation of the classic Warner Brothers animations. I will do it with my spirit and magic helmet. That's great. Aw, dude. Pretty Girl at 3 o'clock. Pepe Le Pew. Yogi. That's so cool. Check out that classic Flintstones with Hanna and Barbera on it. Pinky and the Brain. This one was so cool too. This classic Batman. I love this age. Here's the grow chart from Angus. Here they have some of the classic Elizabeth Taylor from Giant. Joan Crawford from The Damned Don't Cry. Betty Davis, Deception. Lauren Bacall, Young Man with a Horn. So from here they have the Big Bang Theory, the diner area. You can also take photos over here on the side of the couch, and also at the doors, which is kind of cool. What are they having? A little sandwich, a little hamburger, and Sheldon over there. Have some of the Matrix Revolution. The Mercury capsule from The Right Stuff. The Batmobile 1992, that is cool. And Batman Forever 95. So over here you can do the green screens with all the different bikes. That's pretty cool. Look. Yeah. So these are pretty cool. You can move around. Then they have a little coffee shop too. We just went by, and then they got a couple different sets. kitchen set. That's kind of cool. Monica's outfit right here. Let's see. Really cool. So this is the final part of the tour. Oh, that's pretty cool too, that Batman. Can't get a real good shot, but it's a fantastic piece and where to find them. Here's the Asylum, Mr. Freeze, the Riddler costume, Oz costume. Wow, that's awesome, the Arkham case. Heath Ledger costume, and Batman, Arnold Schwarzenegger. That is crazy. Heath Ledger wore that. They also have the newest Batmobile, the Matt Reeves one. Look at the inside of his car. That is cool. Worn by Robert Patterson. Not my favorite Batman, but. And the Zoe Kravitz costume. Welcome to the Daily Planet, so you know who we're checking out now. And then at the end of the tour, you get to go in the Batcave. Got all of working on the cars, bat plane. They also got a little Harry Potter place over here. Take photos. Camera mount. Oh, for our full-size camera. A couple interactive things that's kind of fun to play with. Oh, the door's closed. Decided to stop by the smokehouse directly across the street from Warner Brothers Studios. Got an old fashioned and probably gonna get some lunch real quick. Well, I am gonna get some lunch. I just don't know what. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is what we got here. The steak sriracha and the French dip with coleslaw and the old fashioned. So let you know how it is. Here's some of the movies from the Smokehouse. Pretty cool. There's George Clooney, Captain Tennille. Argo's from here. And that's gonna do it, I think. We're gonna end it here for today. Done with the studios, went to the Smokehouse. Now head back down south. 31 nights of Halloween. Wow. And directly across is the studio. And we're on Olive and Lakeside. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.